Abbreviated New Drug Application ANDA. Introduction. Generic drug applications are referred to abbreviated new drug application. An abbreviated new drug application ANDA contains data which is submitted to Food and Drug Administration for the review and approval of a generic drug product. Once abbreviated new drug application is approved, an applicant can manufacture and market generic drug to provide safe, effective and low cost alternative of innovator drug product to the public. What is generic drug? A generic drug is a copy of the original branded drug or innovator drug. Generic drug have exactly same dosage, intended use, effects, side effects, route of administration, risk, safety and strength as the branded drugs or innovator drug. Abbreviated new drug application. Generic drug applications are termed abbreviated because they are generally not required to include preclinical and clinical data to establish safety and efficacy of the drug. Generic drugs are low cost because they does not have expense on preclinical and clinical studies. So, generic drugs are available in low cost for the public. Instead, generic applicants must scientifically demonstrate that their product is performs in the same manner as the innovator drug by bioequivalence. Bioequivalence is the measures the time taken by generic drug to reach bloodstream in the healthy volunteers. The time and amount of active ingredients in the bloodstream should be comparable to those of innovator drug or branded drug. In simple words, we can say bioequivalence measures the time it takes for generic drug to reach bloodstream as compared to innovator drug or branded drug in healthy volunteers. If an abbreviated new drug application ANDA is approved, the generic drug will be listed in the Orange Book. The official title of Orange Book is Approved Drug Products with Therapeutic Equivalence Evaluations, which list all medicines the Food and Drug Administration FDA has found to be safe, effective and low cost alternatives for the public. I have already created video about Orange Book in detail. Link is given in the description box. Hatch-Waxman amendments. The Drug Price Competition and Patent Term Restoration Act of 1984, also known as the Hatch-Waxman amendments, established bioequivalence as the basis for approving generic drug products. Using of bioequivalence as the base for approving generic drug product was established in Hatch-Waxman Act. Due to this act, the applicant can manufacture and market generic drug to provide safe, effective and low-cost alternative of innovator drug product to the public. Before the adoption of the Hatch-Waxman Act, the Food and Drug Administration required generic drug companies as like to demonstrate the safe and efficacy of their products in the same manner through a new drug application NDA like branded drug manufacturer or innovator drug. So, before the Hatch-Waxman Act, the generic drug manufacturer has to spend the time and money on research, clinical, preclinical, and development of the drug. So, the time and the cost of the drug was reduced after the Hatch-Waxman Act. Type of patent certification. When an application submits an abbreviated new drug application to the Food and Drug Administration, the applicant must certify one of four things under Section 505 J2A7. Para 1 certification. No patent information has been submitted to Food and Drug Administration. Para 2 certification. That submitted patent relevant to the drug have expired or that the patent have expired. Para 3 certification. That the patent will expire on particular date. Para 4 certification. If applicant certifies that any used patent is invalid or will not be infringed by the generic drug. I have already created video about Hatch-Waxman Act and patent certification in detail. The link is given in the description box. Abbreviated New Drug Application Approval Process. Applicant. An applicant means any person who submits an abbreviated new drug application to obtain Food and Drug Administration approval to market a generic drug product. Acceptable and complete. An application must contain sufficient information to allow review. Pre-filling assessment of its completeness and acceptability is reviewed by Office of Generic Drug OGD or Center for Drug Evaluation and Research CDER. If this initial review documents that the applicant contains all the necessary components, an acknowledgement letter is sent to the applicant. If the application is missing one or more essential component, a refuse to file letter is sent to the applicant. No further review of the application occurs until the applicant provides the requested data. If the document is acceptable, then OGD or CDER review about bioequivalence review, chemistry or micro review, request for plant inspection, labeling review. Bioequivalence review acceptable. If at the conclusion of the bioequivalence review it is determined that there are deficiency in the bioequivalence, this deficiency letter details the deficiency and request information and data to resolve them. Similarly, chemistry or micro or labeling review acceptability. If it is not acceptable, not approval letter is sent to the applicant and the request information and data to resolve them. If all the reviews are accepted, then pre-approval inspection is acceptable or not. If it is not accepted, approval is pending. Until that, generic drug manufacturer cannot market their product. If it is acceptable, then abbreviated new drug is approved and they can market their product. Summary. An abbreviated new drug application is a request to the Food and Drug Administration to manufacture and market a generic drug in the United States. The abbreviated new drug application does not require the applicant to conduct clinical trials. An abbreviated new drug application approved drug must be bioequivalent to the brand name drug. If an abbreviated new drug application is approved, it is listed in the Orange Book as an FDA approved medicine. Thank you.